just let me know para ma-check ko muna kung available yung classroom. Okay? So we will be using ME Laboratory 1. Okay? So ang gawin po natin, okay, 3 to 4, okay? 3 to 4 will be groups 1 and 2, okay? And then 4 to 5 would be groups 3 and 4, and then 5 and 6 would be 5 to 6. Pero as we have our experiment kanina, parang mas maaga kami na nakakatapos. So better, okay, yung sunod na group, okay, dapat po andun na ng halimbawa 3 to 4, and then you are assigned at 4 to 5, make sure at 3:30 yung kasunod na group would be around na po para madali din po kayo makakauwi. Okay? Para mas madali kayo makakauwi. So siguro around 5 to 5:30 matatapos na po natin ngayon. Okay. Now, so ang atin pong experiment would be Charpy and ISOD. But then yung ISOD test, wait lang ha. But then yung ISOD po na machine, nag-fail po during our test. So, isa lang pong group yung nakapag-perform. So, ang gagawin po natin, we will simply be utilizing the Charpy test na rin po for that purpose. Okay? Ano lang po yung pinagkaiba ng dalawa? Both are impact tests. The way you mount the specimen, dun lang po sila nagkaiba. Okay? So, sa chart po, it is mounted na naka-horizontal, whereas yun pong ating ISOD would be vertical. Okay? So, ang gagawin po natin, doon na din po natin gagawin sa Charpy yung para doon sa ISOD. Okay? So, I asked you to bring po yung bale total of 9 specimen. Okay? A square bar having cross-section, a square with a measurement of 10 mm. Okay? And then yung length po niya is 56 mm. Okay? So, siyang po na piraso na gano'n. Okay? So, ang gagawin nyo po, okay, i-divide nyo po sila into 3 sets. Okay? So, kindly take note of this po ha, yung mga sinasabi ko. Okay? So, you divide that into 3 sets. Okay? So, the first set, yun pong tatlong may V-notch. Okay? Tatlo po na may V-notch, yun po yung first set. Okay? Yung second set po, yung tatlo na may rectangular notch. Okay? At ang last set po would be dalawang V-notch and ang isa po yung unnotch. Yung wala pong notch na kasama. Okay? So that would be yung set 3 po. Okay? Again, we have set 1. Yan pong tatlong V-notch. Set 2 would be tatlong rectangular notch. At ang set 3 po ay dalawang V-notch at isa ay unnotch. Okay? So, bago po tumating bukas, okay, label na lang, pakilabel na po yung kada set. Okay? So, for the first set, i-label po natin siya. Okay? Kada isa po, yung po isa ay 60, yung isa po ay 90, at yung isa po ay 120. Again, i-label po yung first set, 60, 90 at 120. Okay? So, tig-iisa po yun. Same thing with the second set. Okay? Yun din po. 60, 90 at 120. And the last set po, ano po ang ilalagay? Sa last set po, yun pong walang notch, wala na po tayong imamark doon. Kasi tanda naman po natin yun kasi wala po siyang notch. So wala na po tayong ilalagay na mark doon. Okay? Yun po may dalawang V-notch sa set 3. Lalagyan po natin ng B, letter B. At yung isa po is letter F. Okay? Again, isa po ay letter B at ang isa po ay letter F. Okay? So, pagdating po bukas, meron na po tayong ganoon na label doon po sa test specimen po natin. Okay? So, I will be discussing to you now yung template po para doon sa report po natin. And also, the procedure and how you will be conducting the test. Okay? Wait lang po.
6-1 kayo nung senior high, I deal also with the study of motion. Sa dami ng types niya, so ang isa sa mga part noon ay ang pag-aaral ng rectilinear or linear motion. Yan. At may mga terms na kailangan nating ma-define para sa
kapag maliliit po yung
clear
pyesa natin, tingin mo
understanding
lang,
of the description of the motion
pero
of
kung
a
ganito po
body
kung gagawin natin,
or of a
the rule
particle.
of thumb po is dapat is
So,
Okay, so nakita po. Okay, so this would be our experiment number 2. Okay, so same lang naman po yan. Okay, dun sa dati. Intro, objectives, apparatus, procedure. Now, we have here the results and discussion. Okay, so ano po yung ilalagay natin? So these are the tables na gagamitin po natin. Okay, so 1 would be for Sharpie, 2 is Sharpie test. Yung 1 po is using a V-notch. Ito po naman is using a rectangular notch. At ito po, papalitan na lang po ninyo ito. Gagawin nyo rin po itong ISO. Gagawin nyo po itong Sharpie din. Okay? Sharpie impact test on steel with respect to the notches. Okay. So, let us have first yung table 1. Okay. So, ano po ang gagawin natin? So, ilo-load po natin yun pong ating set 1. Okay. Yung set 1 po. So, yung kada isa pong specimen, yun po yung test number 1, 2, 3. Yung 1 po, yun po yung may label na 60. Okay? Yung 2 po, yun po may label na 90. At yun pong 3, yun po yung label na 120. Okay? Ano po yung mga angles na yun? Okay? So, yung angles po na yun, these are the angle kung paano mo po siya i-strike. Okay? So, papaliwanag ko po iyan sa inyo tomorrow. Okay? As we conduct po yung test. Okay? So, what we need is to vary yung angle po of strike. And then, we compute po for the height, the impact energy, the deformation, and the toughness of the material. Okay? Para po yung pendulum. Okay? So, yung pendulum po natin na gagamitin, ito po yung initial position niya. Say, at 60 degrees, at 90 degrees, at 120 degrees. Okay? So, from this angle po, you measure their initial height. Okay? So, ang gagawin niyo po, i-measure niyo po yung pendulum natin. Okay? Ano yung initial height niya, and with respect to this angle, okay, ano po yung initial height nila. Okay? O gaano po kataas. Tapos, isa-swing po natin. So, wait lang na.
The first derivative of the displacement with respect to time is called the velocity. So that's the second term.
Hello. Okay, so let me continue. Okay. So, again, from the angle, okay, you compute for the initial position. Okay. And then you move po yung ating pendulum freely. Okay, so we let it swing until it strikes po yung ating na specimen. So, babatayan po natin, okay, yung final position niya. At what angle. And with that angle po, again, i-convert po natin yan. Okay. I-convert po natin siya doon po sa final height po niya. And the difference of the height, initial and final, okay, doon po natin madidetermine ngayon, okay, or makukompute yung impact energy, yung deformation, at saka po yung toughness, okay. So, ito po height na ito, this will mean po, okay, this will mean po difference in the height. So, how do you compute po ito pong apat na yan? Okay, so paano po natin i-compute yung apat? Okay, so we have here po the equations involved.
For example,
Yan, okay. So first, yun pong sa height. Okay, yan. So we have here the initial height is h. Okay, yun po yung 60, 90, and 120. The corresponding value po nung kanilang height po. Okay, and then final height po. So, need po natin dito yung video para po makita natin yung final height, kung ano pong inabot. Medyo mabilis po kasi yung ating testing. So, need po natin na makita po ng ayos. Kaya, ang gagamitin po natin ay video para po mababalikan po natin. Okay? Nasundan po ba? Hello?
So, hindi lahat yun ay applicable. Napaka-ideal
Hello?
ng situation on. Yun ay applicable lang sa mga
Narinig pa po?
accelerated.
Narinig pa po ba?
But for
Yes po, narinig.
Okay, okay. So, yun po yung age natin doon. Again, dito po sa table, yung height po na sinasabi dito would be the change in height. Okay? That would be the change in height po. And then, yung pangalawa po would be the impact energy. Okay? So, saan naman po makukompute po natin yung impact energy? Ito po naman yung equation. Okay? So, the impact energy would be the weight of the pendulum times the acceleration due to gravity times the height. Okay? So, ayan po. So, ano po yung weight ng pendulum? That is equal po to 13 kilograms. Okay, 13 kilograms. You have the value of G. At yung H po na yan, again, that would be po the difference in height. Okay? Again, difference po yun ng height. Initial and final. Okay?
Ibig sabihin, the object or the particle is moving to the right. So from the S.
Okay, so dun po makuha yung value ng impact energy. Next, what about naman po yung toughness? Okay, it would be the energy divided by the volume deformation. Okay, so you need to solve first the volume deformation. This is the equation po for the volume deformation. You have here the width, yung pong base. Okay, ari po yung 10 by 10. Ari po yung dalawa. W times B. Yun po yung 10 by 10. Yung pong cross section. Okay? And then, ari po L minus L1 minus L2. C na lang po yung illustration. L pertains to the total length. Okay?
Ang ibig sabihin naman ito ay kailangan ang
Kasi nag-evaluate. Wait. Evaluation. Wait lang.
ang
Okay.
numerical value.
Okay, so you have here the length. Okay? Ito po yung L1 at itong L2. Ari po, yung L2 po dito po sa kabila. Okay, L is the overall length, okay, of the Charpy specimen. So, yun po yung 56 mm. Okay? Tapos po, L1 and L2, ito po yung L1, L2. Yan po yung dalawa po natin na di po mabebend yung ating specimen. So, ime-measure po natin yun. Okay? Visually undeformed length of the Charpy specimen po. Okay? So, yun po yung ating titingnan, yung undeformed length. Okay? So, kukunin nyo lang po dito yung undeformed length. Okay?
At
So, once you see the value po of the deformed, okay, you can now compute for the toughness of the material. Okay? So, makukompleto po natin ito pong ating table po nito. Ano po magkaiba? Okay? This is using V-notch. This is using the rectangular notch. Okay? Ano pong pangatlo? Ano po yung difference niya? Okay? Ito naman po is we will be using here
Ano naman ang meaning nito?
Okay, so we will be using here naman po yung notch, reverse notch, and a notch. Okay, yun po yung set 3 natin. Okay, so yan po yung set 3.
Wala po sa chat box po.
Isang matatag na
Okay,
dito.
so ito po yung atin na set 3. Okay, dalawa pong V-notch. Ito po yun, yung notch at reverse, at yung unnotch, yung wala
Kung
pong V.
gumagalaw to the
Okay,
right, positive. Kung gumagalaw to the left, negative.
okay, so alin po yung notch? Ito pong ating set 3, gagawin po natin yan using 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree po lahat ang gagamitin natin doon. Ang unnotch po, okay, yung wala pong notch, so i-test po natin siya. Ito pong isa, yung notch, ibig sabihin po, yung pong may label na F. Okay po, ari po yung may label na F, yung pong reverse, yung pong may label na B. Okay, ibig sabihin po nun, yung pong may label na F, doon po mismo sa face, kung saan may notch, yun po doon tayo mag-strike. Okay? Ito naman pong isa, yung reverse po, doon sa back naman po, doon po tayo mag-strike po nung atin na pendulum.
So let's call it small v. So by power rule, this becomes 3t squared minus
Hello?
2 times 12 is 24 times the t
Nasaan?
plus 36.
Nasaan, Gara?
Negative 24.
Wait lang po ha.
Factoring t.
Ba't Okay, sorry po. Okay.
nasagutan
So,
na
let me
natin
continue.
yung
Okay,
first
so
three
again,
questions.
ari po lahat, okay, yung pong table 1, table 2, set 1, set 2. Ang gagamitin po dyan, i-strike mo po yung ating specimen sa likod. Okay, sa likod po ng notch. Ito po naman sa table 3, this is supposed to be done sa ISOD na naka-vertical po. Okay, so gagawin na natin siya ngayon horizontal. Okay, so strike mo po siya sa front, okay, nung notch. O kaya ang pangalawa po, ito pong reverse, yung po yung B sa back. At yung pangatlo po, yung notch. Okay, so ano po ang need natin dito makita sa ating testing? Okay, is there really a significant difference between a notch and a notch specimen and the condition on how you strike the specimen? Okay, so titinan po natin yung deformation. Okay, gaano kalaki yung deformation kung meron siyang notch at gaano yung deformation kung wala po siyang notch. Okay, di po ba sinabi natin nilalagyan natin siya ng notch to really ensure that there would be corresponding failure. Okay, so let us see doon po sa testing natin kung ganun nga ba yung mangyayari. Okay, dito naman po sa angle, titingnan po natin at what degree po will yield the highest deformation. Okay, so doon po ba sa 60, sa 90 po ba, at doon sa 120. Okay, at dito naman po sa table 2, ano po yung gusto nating patunayan dyan? Halimbawa po, this is a V notch and then a rectangular notch. Parehas siya sa 120. Pagtinginin po natin, okay? Paghambingin po natin. Ari yung V notch, ari yung rectangular notch. Parehas ko siyang tines sa 120. O alin po yung may mas lala na deformation. Okay, doon sa dalawa. Okay? So, yan po yung mga gusto nating makita o para po doon sa atin na testing. Okay? So, yan po yung enumerate natin as our objectives. Okay? And as we present po yung tables po ng atin na values, okay, yung data po, after po na table, you have to describe po. Okay? You have to discuss po kung ano yung nandito sa table and what is its interpretation. Okay? Yan. So, ganun po yung gagawin. And then, next po, it's observation and calculation. You need here po to do some graph. Okay? So, yung graph po ng impact energy versus the height for every angle to include both notches. Okay? So, yung A po at saka yung C na graph, manggagaling po sa tables 1 and 2. Data po ng table 1 and 2. So, ililabel po lang natin alin ba yung para dun sa V notch, alin ba yung para dun sa rectangular notch. Okay? Yan. Yun po yung A at C. Yung B at D naman po, manggagaling naman po doon sa table 3. Again, papalitan po natin ito ha. Magiging Sharpie impact test po ito with respect to the notches. Okay? So, yun pong B at D, yun po ay manggagaling for your table 3, yung data po niya. Yun po yung i-graph po natin. Again, that would be the toughness versus po yung height. Okay? Yung height po na yun, that would be the change in height. Okay? Initial and final is to be considered using po yung angle po na ginamit po natin sa testing. Okay? And then, you have here your conclusion. Again, you refer to your objectives, what was accomplished with yung objective po natin na dinefine po natin. Okay, so you analyze your data, you interpret, and if there are possible failures, then please include po the possible sources of error. Okay, and then the last statement is, how does this relate to topics outside of the classroom? Okay, yun po yung sagot din sa introduction natin. Di po ba sabi dito, also include the purpose of the experiment at the end of the introduction. Okay? So, yung counterpart po noon sa conclusion ay ito po. How do you relate these topics doon po sa outside ng classroom? Okay? So, yun po yung magkatuwang po doon. Okay? Nasundan po ba? Hello?
How about
Hello?
a ball is thrown
Hello?
vertical?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay. So, tomorrow po
Upward.
with our
Pwede rin downward.
experiment po, nakalabel na po yung pong ating mga specimen po na dadalhin. Okay? And then,
na walang
another one po,
ay
yun pong ating
tinatawag
specimen, okay, yun po ay itatago po natin and
body.
ilalagay po natin doon after po na ng test, okay? Ilalagay po natin sa illustration board, 1/8 illustration board, and then using cable ties po, isi-secure po natin yung kanya na place. Okay? So cable ties na lang po yung gagamitin para hindi po nakakasakit, hindi na po wire. Okay? Para wag po siya mahulog doon sa atin na illustration board. 1/8 po yung size. Okay? Kasya naman po yan. Yung siyam na yan, kasya naman po doon. And then, i-cover po natin ng plastic. Okay? I-cover po natin ng plastic. So, kung sa design po, kung paano nyo po gagawin presentable, di bahala na po kayo doon. Okay? So, it will be used po for display po natin. Okay? And then, another thing po is yun pong ating specimen din nung tensile test. Okay? So, ganun din po yung gagamitin. Ganun din po yung gagawin natin. Okay? Yung tatlo po bakal, ilalagay din po doon sa 1/8 na illustration board, tapos ganun, same thing po, cable ties at saka po yung plastic po, lalagyan po natin. Okay? Yan. So, what about the deadlines? Okay, so yung una po natin na lab report for experiment 1, okay, that is due week 16. So, that would be by next week po. Okay, yan po yun. And then, week 17 po, yung para dito sa ating experiment 2. Okay, that would be week 17. Now, yun pong atin na nasa illustration board, kailan po yung deadline po niya. Okay, ang deadline po noon is on our final examination. Okay? Nasundan po ba yung aking sinabi?
Ano ang
Hello?
Opo, ma'am.
Okay. And then another thing po, reminder lang po, dun po sa mga hindi pa nakapag-submit ng kanilang mga presentations, okay? So, pakilagay na po ng link doon po sa atin na classroom, okay? At the specific topic assigned to you po, okay? So, nandun na po siya sa classroom po natin. And even this form po, this is already included po doon sa atin na classroom, okay? So, kindly check na lang po.
Ano ang natatandaan mo?
So, everybody po must be present on our experiment po tomorrow. Okay?
Okay. The value is
Question?
9.8.
Wala na?
O, di ba? Lagi yung negative.
Hello?
Ano? Dahil lagi yung downward, negative.
Wala na po?
9.8.
I'll stop the presentation.
O, kung
Yan.
significant
Okay?
value,
Again,
para-
aagahan po natin. Mabilis lang po yung
ay
test
approximately 9.81
ginagawa. Kaya 15
meters
minutes earlier po tayo doon sa binigay ko po sa inyo na
How about
schedule,
sa
okay?
English
Kung
system?
wala din ang pumasama kung 30 minutes earlier, okay? Kasi pagkakatapos po ng isang group, ay di kasunod na po agad yung kasunod na group, okay? Para po madali tayong makatapos. Pagkakatapos naman po, pwede na pong umuwi once you have your data. And then you are expected to work on your laboratory report na po. Okay?
Simpleng 32.
So, sino pong may question?
Per seconds.
Malinaw na po ba?
So these are the two
Malinaw po?
numerical values. They are equivalent if you are dealing with an acceleration.
Okay, so
of
kindly
gravity
open your camera
sa ating sa Earth
para po sa
surface.
attendance natin.
O kung
Nagpaalam
inyong
si Miss Janela.
pagbabasihan, ang naging equation ng motion, itong S is BOP minus 1/2 GP squared.
Okay.
So pag dito sa problem, sinabi, a ball is thrown vertically upward from the ground. Halimbawa, class ay are ang ating ground level. Galing sa ground may launcher.
Okay, Van. Pasuyo na lang, Utay.
Pataas ang object. May initial velocity VO. Ang binigay ay 64 feet per second. So ito ang ating VO. Okay, bakit naging ganito ang equation ng motion? Tignan ninyo class ang
Okay.
general equation. Ang EO ay 64. Multiply
Okay,
sa I.
thank you.
Kumari class, yan, 64.
I'll see you all tomorrow. Okay?
Negative 1/2. Ano ang G?
M ilab
Dahil
po ha, M
nakapit
ilab
ito,
1.
ang gagamitin yung G